Nice to see Valentino back on the flat bench. I performed a PecFlexFix reconstruction on his 7-year-old tear 13 months ago, and here he is hitting the flat bench again. I want to point out a couple of things that Valentino's doing here that I recommend all my patients to do if they're going back to the bench after a PecFlexFix is this. Number one is keep the bar out of the PecDeathZone, and that's the zone right before it hits the chest and right after it comes off the chest. So what you can see Valentino doing here is he's bouncing the bar off his chest. He's using the block to keep out of the PecDeathZone. He is keeping his arms close to his body, and he's bouncing the bar lower to his nipple line or below his nipple line. And one more thing, no pec tear is too old for me to fix.